In this tutorial, you will see how I made this beautiful book animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to make this kind of beautiful slide, just watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to View, click on Guides. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, go to Edit Points and click on over here and click on this box and make it round like this. Click on over here. Use this point to make it more round like this, and this is perfect. Now press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, place it here, go to rotate, click on flip horizontal and place it like this. Now select these two shapes, click on right button, go to Format Object, go to Effects, go to Shadow and click on Offset Center and change the size to 104% and select these two, go to shape format, go to shape fill, make it white fill color, and this is looking beautiful. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, go to format shape, click on gradient fill, delete two stops and keep another two. Let me click on this stops, choose the black color. Go to linear and go to direction and click on linear right and click on over here and change the transparency like this. Select this one and keep the position like this, and this is looking beautiful. Now select this one, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, place it here. Go to rotate, click on flip horizontal and place it like this. Now go to view, uncheck the guides. Now I have to add some text and the animation. Go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and write here text here. If you want, you may change the font, make it bold and give the shadow, increase the font size, change the font color. Again go to insert, shape, pick a text box, add some text here, place some demo text here, make it center, change the font, keep it like this. If you want, you may add a logo. Go to insert, picture, go to download, select this logo, hold down the shift key, reduce the size and keep it over here. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape, drag it over here, shape outline, no outline, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here, press Ctrl D to duplicate and rotate it like this, place it here, select this one, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it like this. Let me select this fourth slide, Ctrl G to group, click on right button, go to format shape, go to picture or texture fill, insert. Let me insert a picture. Let me select this one, uncheck rotate with shape, go to shape format, go to picture effect, go to shadow and click on offset center. Now click on right button, make it duplicate slide. Again click on right button, make it duplicate slide. Again click on right button, make it duplicate slide. Now go my second slide, delete this shape, select this text box and logo, place it over there, over here. Go to insert, shape, pick this hexagon shape, drag it over here, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here, again place it over here and place it like this. Select this four, press Ctrl G to group, solid, picture or texture fill. Let me select another image from my computer. Let me select this one. Let me select this picture, uncheck rotate with shape, picture format, picture effect, shadow and click on offset center, and this is also perfect. Now let me select this one, go to shape fill, picture or texture fill, select another picture like this. Now let me select this one, delete this, select this text, place it over here. Let me go to here, copy this shape, paste it over here, go to picture or texture fill. Let me insert another picture from my computer. Let me select this picture, and this is perfect. Now let me select this fourth slide, go to transition, and let me click on paste card and change the duration to 2 seconds. Now let me watch the slideshow from my beginning slide. This is perfect. This one also perfect. This one also perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.